Hello friends, today I am going to introduce you to the all new Amazon Echo Dot third generation with smart speaker with Alexa. The all new Amazon Echo Dot third generation with smart speaker with Alexa is a wonderful and amazing product. It is small but it offers a gateway into the world of smart home with a voice controlled smart speaker with Alexa designed for every room. It has got a small fabric design, easy setup and integration into every corner of the room. Clear sound quality with Alexa app which makes it a fantastic product. Amazon Echo Dot third generation is an impressive product which gives you control over your smart home with a few commands and streams music, news and other information. So although it is small, it is sure it packs a punch. The small mesh design helps the Amazon Echo Dot blend with the rest of the refreshed Amazon Echo lineup with a fabric cover makeover. As a result, Echo Dot comes in colors to match the rest of the range with charcoal and other shades. Echo Dot is much like our own personal assistant. So the voice assistant Alexa can help you to answer questions about time, what is the weather going to be like, listening to your favorite music and everything, so on and so forth that might help your day run a bit smoother. Hello friends, today I am going to unbox the all new Amazon Echo Dot third generation with smart speaker with Alexa. I have brought it from amazon.in. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. It is packed in thick polythene casing so that water and dust product may not damage the content, and it is tightly sealed from all sides. And here it is written amazon.in, and now I am going to rip it open. Here I am cutting it through. The MRP of the product is rupees 4999 INR, but I got it for rupees 2499 INR. And here this is the product, this is the Amazon Echo Dot, and this is the bill sent by Amazon. Nothing inside the packet, so I have kept it aside. And this is the bill. It is written amazon.in and the price is 2499 INR. I have kept aside the bill. And this is the all new Amazon Echo Dot third generation. It is also packed in thick polythene casing and there is branding by Amazon. On the back side there are details, and now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my scissors and now I am cutting it through. And here I am taking it out, and this is the branding by Amazon. The box is nice blue in color and it is also sealed, and these are the skills you can perform with Alexa. You can add Alexa to any room. It is designed around your voice control music throughout your home, control your smart home. And these are the other details about the product. And here you can add Alexa to any room. Alexa can play latest Bollywood hits, and there are other skills. And here on this side there is Alexa, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and audio line out, and there are details about the product, and it contains one adapter and product manual. And here you can explore thousands of skills including Amazon Prime Music, Hue, Savan, Aaj Ola. The inbox contents are Amazon Echo Dot third generation and a power adapter which is of 15 watts. And now I am going to cut the seal, and here I have taken my knife and now I am cutting it through a little bit more, and the product will be out. And here I am taking it out, and this is the product. It is charcoal black model of Amazon Echo Dot, and on the top there is also the seal, and here I have taken it out. On the side it has fabric, and this is the back side, and there are details about the product. and here I have kept it. And on the box there are product manual, and these are the product manuals, details about the product. And here there are other product manuals, and here there is warranty card. This is the warranty card, and this is the manual how to use the product, things you can try with Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. And here this is the power adapter. It is black in color and it is a 15 watt, nothing more inside the box, and I have kept it aside. And here this is the power adapter, and there is branding by Amazon. It is black in color. It has a long and thick sturdy cable, and it is very nice and very good. And here there are details about the product. It is a 15 watt. You have to plug in, and here this is the power cord. It is very long and very sturdy. And here this is the cord. This is the power input jack, and you have to plug the power adapter into your Echo Dot and then into the electrical socket. A blue light ring will begin to spin around the top. In about 1 minute, Alexa will greet you and let you know to complete the setup in the Alexa app. And here this is the product manual, and here there are different instructions about how you can set the product. You have to download the Alexa app and then connect it with the Wi-Fi, and then you have to give the instructions, and these are the different instructions you can try. You can try call or messaging, you can hear music, and you can do many more things. You can order your shopping, you can ask questions about weather, and so on and so forth. And this is the warranty card, and it has got a 1-year warranty, and there are different instructions and about the recycling. And this is the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. It is charcoal black in color. It has 4 buttons: microphone off, volume up, volume down, action, and there is light ring. And on the back side there are instructions about the product, and on the side there is fiber mesh. And here this is the power input jack, and there are 2 ports. These are the 2 ports, power port and the auxiliary output audio port. And here I am undercutting it, and here I have taken out the polythene. On the side you can see there is a fine mesh, and it has got a small fabric design, and this is the fine mesh, and the design is very impressive. And here I have plugged it into the power port, and these are the buttons. This is volume down, these are other buttons, volume up, mute. These are the different buttons. The fabric mesh design helps the Amazon Echo Dot blends with the rest of the refreshed fabric, and it is very good. This is the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. The 3rd generation Amazon Echo Dot has got a classy look, and now I am pressing the action button and the light ring will begin to glow. The Amazon 3rd generation has got a classy look. It has rounded edges and more sophisticated design. The fabric grill around the outer edge feels modern and classy simultaneously. The fabric mesh design helps the Amazon Echo Dot blends with the rest of the Amazon Echo lineup with a fabric covered makeover. And all the new Echo Dot 3rd generation comes with a range of colors. And here this is the new Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation, and I have purchased charcoal black color. You can activate the Alexa app by saying the name. It triggers the blue flashing ring of light The marquee feature in the Amazon Echo Dot third generation is revamped audio system that helps to make the Echo Dot sound better. Alexa is the brain behind the Echo Dot and it is built in the cloud, so it is always getting smarter. With sleek and compact design makes Echo Dot convenient addition to any room in your house. You can use it to play music, set alarm, check news, and it has a host of other features. You can stream music from Amazon Prime, Savan, etc. Or you can just ask for a song or whole genre and you will fill your home with music. With Echo Dot you can hear your music across the room even in the noisy environment with 4-field microphone that uses the beam foaming technology and enhanced noise cancellation. It can control compactable smart lights, plugs and remotes from Philips, Saesa, TP-Link, etc. by just using your voice. You can use Echo Dot to call or message anyone who has the Echo device or the Alexa app. Amazon Echo Dot's microphone array and noise reduction feature makes it best, and the algorithm that Amazon has implemented for phone calls. Therefore, the calling remains one of the best features in the Amazon Echo Dot, and it is very nice. And Alexa has more than 15,000 skills and counting, and it is getting smarter day by day and adding more features. All these things are great and make the Amazon Echo Dot third generation device in the Amazon Echo family the leader in the field. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.